Good morning, parents, teachers, and fellow students. My name is Manvir. I'm 14 years old, and today I'll be doing my third module for level 1. Today I'll be talking about some of the COVID 19 vaccines in Malaysia. Firstly, what is a vaccine? A vaccine provides active immunity to a particular infectious disease. A vaccine can also act as a shield or protection for our body from a certain type of disease. The first vaccine we have in my list is Pfizer. It is from the USA. It has a 95% efficiency. It's highly effective, but effective for only 6 months. It's expensive and difficult to store. For example, it has to be stored in a cooler and then shipped to an air-conditioned warehouse. Second, we have AstraZeneca. It's from the UK and Sweden. It has a 62 to 90% efficiency. It's free and easier to store, but it is comparatively low in efficiency. And it, as Pfizer, is effective for only 6 months, so 2 doses in a year. And last in my list, we have Sinovac. It is from China. It has a 65 to 90% efficiency, and it's free and easier to store. It's effective for 6 months, so as the rest of the vaccines, 2 jabs in 1 year. Here is the comparison chart of Pfizer, AstraZeneca, and Sinovac. First of all, each vaccine has a different type of medicine inside. For example, Pfizer has mRNA, AstraZeneca has viral vector, and Sinovac has an inactivated virus, which there is no really a medicine for Sinovac. The manufacturing country for Pfizer is the US, AstraZeneca UK, and Sinovac we have China. Each of these vaccine only needs 2 doses in a year. As I stated the efficiency earlier, Pfizer 95%, AstraZeneca 62 to 90%, and Sinovac 50.4 to 91.25% efficiency. The storage temperature for Pfizer is really low at negative 75 degrees, whereas for AstraZeneca and Sinovac, it is at 2 degrees to 8 degrees. The total doses that we have for Pfizer is 32 million, which covers 50% of our population. And for AstraZeneca and Sinovac, 12.8 million and 12 million, which covers a total of 38.75%. Countries that have used the vaccine are stated as below. For Pfizer, we have the US, Singapore, UK, Bahrain, and Canada. And for AstraZeneca, we have UK, South Africa, Ukraine, Brazil, and Canada. And lastly, for Sinovac, we have China, Indonesia, Turkey, Chile, and Hong Kong. How do vaccines work? A weak or dead form of germ is introduced. This sparks your immune system response to develop antibodies that remember the germ. The antibodies fight off the germ if it invades again. These are the commonly reported side effects after getting a COVID-19 vaccine. Firstly, we have Pfizer, which consists of tiredness, headache, muscle pain, fever, and nausea. And we have AstraZeneca consisting of fatigue, diarrhea, and muscle weakness. And lastly, Sinovac with fever, body aches, and nausea. So as you can see in the list, Pfizer consists of the most side effects. But Pfizer is also the most safest option out of these 3 vaccines. Can a vaccinated person get infected with COVID? Yes, because no vaccine offers full protection to everyone who receives it. Should teens get the COVID vaccine? First, although young people don't generally die from COVID 19 or get as sick as older adults, 13% of those hospitalized under the virus with the virus have been under 18 years old. COVID-19 vaccine trials for children are still underway. For now, following proven health measures is the best way to keep your children and beloved ones safe. Where do we sign up for the COVID vaccine? Firstly, download the MySajatra app in your Google Play Store or App Store and then fill up the form. It may look something like this, and the questions will look something like this. Oh, oh no. Sorry about that. Questions may look something about like this. And then hit to the hit to the last page where it'll show you which vaccination center you have to go to. Stated like this: first dose appointment, and then once it's completed, second dose appointment. But why must we get the COVID vaccines? It builds an immunity that protects us from the virus, and we are least likely to get infected by anyone that has the virus. And we can overcome the pandemic faster and go back to life before COVID. If you don't think about yourself, think about your loved one. Please stay at home. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Please do not procrastinate on getting the vaccine and have a nice day.